Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this fateful day, I baked coconut bread and pizza. It was an impromptu baking. I never planned it at all. So what happened was that one of my kids walked up to me and said, "Mommy, I want to eat pizza for dinner." Hey, it was a total challenge. And at point I felt so guilty because I have never made pizza for these kids. We always buy from the store. I can't remember making pizza for them. It's been a long time I made pizza. Maybe when I gave it to my first daughter. Yeah, I've never made pizza. So I said, okay, I'm gonna make pizza. But the thing is that I didn't have all the ingredients in the house. But I was forced to manage the ingredient that I have to make that pizza. So for this pizza recipe, for the dough, I used 3 cups of multi-purpose flour, 1 sachet or like 2 tablespoons of yeast, a little bit of sugar so that it will help the yeast out. Yeah, so I mixed it up in warm water. I turned it, added a little bit of salt to it. What again did I add? You don't really need a lot of things to make the dough, so I needed it to the smoothness, and I cover it to rise. Okay, if the dough is so hard, add water to it or milk. Don't make it to be so sticky, and do not make it to be so hard, but it has to be soft. The pizza turned out so great. It was so delicious. So for the fillings, I added some sauce that I have in the house. I didn't really do a lot. Then I added some, you can add any fillings of your choice. That is one wonderful thing about pizza. I added some sausage, some pepperoni, some bell pepper. I just garnish it just like you have seen, and it tasted so good. It came out so delicious. Oh my god, my daughter was like, this is the best pizza ever. I'm not even gonna lie, it tasted so good, like so good. So for this bread you're seeing on the screen, oh my goodness, just take a look at the bread. Take a look at the bread, you understand what I mean. So for this coconut bread, take a look at it. The way it looks, that is the way it tastes. It is crispy on the outside and so soft and delicious on the inside. Absolutely yummy, guys. It was so addictive that we ate and ate and ate. Okay, so if you watch my last video I made with coconut, so I used that coconut flakes, coconut powder. So that is after squeezing out the coconut juice, coconut milk, I use the powder to make this bread. Guys, it was so delicious. I am going to make a proper video, then I'll show you guys. So the moral of the story is, you don't have to get it all figured out. You don't have to get it all together before achieving that dream. Okay,